If you're a CRO running outbound right now, there's a problem most teams don't see, and it could be costing you pipeline. For many companies, this isn't because their reps aren't working, it's because their outbound motion is built on assumptions that stopped being true about a year ago. So here's the point your team should be making to you, but probably isn't. Email deliverability has changed more in the last 12 months than in the previous decade. Being overly dependent on any channel like email to generate pipeline is a big mistake, and many companies are making it right now. For credibility, we've helped 70 plus companies successfully ramp and scale outbound sales teams and achieve rapid pipeline growth. I can tell you that gone are the days of just having better emails to move the needle. Email should be no more than 40% of what I call modern outbound. We work with teams to install an entire outbound system because in 2026, the game isn't write better emails. The game is understanding the full outbound ecosystem and how every input affects pipeline. Most teams aren't doing this, and failure to adjust is no different than losing pipeline to competitors. So here's the takeaway. If you're running a revenue organization, if your reps are hitting activity numbers but pipeline is flat, you may not have a rep problem. You may have an infrastructure and process problem. The rules have changed, and metrics you're tracking today might not reflect reality anymore. If you want the breakdown of what's actually changed and how to update your outbound motion, go ahead and DM me and I'll send over the framework.